What's up YouTube, this is YouFoot1, and today I'm going to be cracking some parts of my body. I had already cracked my neck before I got on, so it's just going to be my jaw, my fingers, my back, my knee, and oh my goodness. So, oh, that felt good. Alright, that won't do it. Now I have my toes. They're not cracking. Yeah, they're not cracking. Alright, wait. Alright, yeah, I just cracked my neck, so you put one, and I just cracked my back.